Some days feel full and others feel like a blur. But the days that really stay with me are the ones where I took a little time just for myself. Not for productivity, not to tick off a task, but simply to feel good. That to me is self-love. Do you prefer quiet evenings at home or busy weekends filled with plans? Do you enjoy pops of color around you or soft, neutral tones? There's always something trending: minimalism, maximalism, forest core, clean girl aesthetic. But real comfort comes from being honest about what you like, whether or not it's Instagram worthy. For me, I love warm tones and natural textures, wooden trays, earthy baskets. All of this, it really feels like home to me, and that is what you will spot all around my home. So I would say, don't try to chase what's popular. Create what feels personal. Sometimes we live with choices that aren't even ours. We pick what we see around us, what's trending, and not what we really like or what we feel inside. It's important to realize what it is that really makes us happy. Self-love starts when you pause and really ask yourself, what do I enjoy? What lifts me up? I'm an all-out city girl, completely different from what we usually hear from people around us. While many long for quiet countrysides or peaceful escapes, I thrive in the heart of the city. I love the sound of laughter echoing from the streets, the rhythmic hum of buses and trains passing by, the rustling of trees mixed with voices in the background. It all energizes me. That buzz, that chaos, that life, that's my thing. The city, in all its vibrant messiness, makes me feel alive. I find so much joy in doing things others may sometimes even call boring. Setting up the kitchen, wiping down a shelf, placing jars just in the right way. All of these things give me a sense of calm, of control. Self-love isn't always fancy. Sometimes it's doing something small that keeps your day feeling smooth, cozy, and a little more you. So organizing the kitchen area is something I'm doing today to make myself feel better. Make time for joyful little hobbies even if they aren't essential. We don't need to rearrange our spice racks that often, but I do it anyway because it brings me joy. I love organizing different corners of the home. So today I'm changing how I store my spices using the limited space that I have, but making it feel fresh, giving it a new look. No one asked me to do this, but that's the point. Doing things simply because they make you happy is the beautiful way of loving yourself.
I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do.
I'm a homebody at heart. I love being in a space that I've made my own. But even then, sometimes I need a little change. Traveling helps me reset. It reminds me that I can love being home and enjoy stepping away. Self-love is knowing what keeps you grounded while still allowing yourself to evolve. So know what grounds you, but stay open to change.
Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there.
Self-love doesn't have to be loud or dramatic. It's in the quiet choices, the soft routines, the small acts of care. It's in knowing yourself, it's in choosing yourself, and showing up gently for the life you love.